Mm. Hmm. What? Huh? I'm sleeping, honey. What do you need? Is the power still out? I think it was out for an hour before I went to sleep. It's probably been out all night. Ooh, it's cold. Come cuddle, baby. I'll warm you up. Oh, what was that? The power's back on? Perfect timing. Yay, maybe the heat will kick back on. Unless I need to reset it. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. We must have had quite a blizzard if it was out overnight. I'm sure that was a fun job, trying to get that back up and running. The power company workers are probably freezing their niblets off out there. So if the power's back on, what do you need, honey? The internet is down? And cell service. Are you sure? Why would the cell towers go out? Uh-oh, is this the end of the world? It could be. You never know. Maybe the zombies finally took over. I've always thought that would be kind of strange. How long would it take people to figure out that the world was ending? How many people would still go into work and think, it's kind of empty in here. I wonder where everyone else is. No, nothing's wrong. It's not the end of the world. Don't worry, it's just a blizzard. You know what I bet happened? I bet when the power went out, everyone was texting and calling all at once and just filled up the phone lines. Here, let me see your phone. Oh, wait, see? No. Oh, no, you're right. Wow, I can't text? I can't get emails or even load a web page. Well, cell service really is down. I've never seen that before, not from snow. But, since the power's on, the router should work, so. You're not getting any Wi-Fi on your phone? Did you try restarting the router? You're not sure how? Oh, and you couldn't look it up because there's no internet or cell service. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, I'm getting up. No, it's fine. It's fine. I'll look at it. Happy to help. Oh, let's see. Router. Which button did you push? This one? Yeah, that's the one. It should have worked. No dice. I think it's just down, honey. We're just gonna have to wait and hope they fix it soon. I know. That's pretty wild, huh? No computer, no phone, no TV. We'll have to use a carrier pigeon to send notes now. We're cut off from the world. It's fine, baby. It will all be back on soon. Although the house is pretty quiet without music. You're just gonna have to sing for me. It's either that, or I'll sing for you, and we all know how that goes. I'm so tired, I can't stop yawning. Oh, I'm up now. I'm up. I won't be able to get back to sleep. I don't know. We could dive into the board game cabinet and see what we can dig up. You never know what you'll find in there. Stop yawning. Stop yawning. I can't stop. I'm not feeling grumpy. No, I'm just tired. I didn't sleep very well last night. Honey, in the future, if the power goes out or the internet is down and I'm asleep, you can wake me up right away, and I can see if I can get it fixed for you. What? No, I'm not mad at you. I'm just tired, so I have my sleepy face on. See, there's still a smile in there somewhere. What? You thought I was going to say if this happens in the future to let me sleep? You thought I was mad at you for waking me up? No, why would I be mad at you, baby? The power is out. It's not your fault. If I can help, I want to help. No, baby, you're smart. You can't be expected to know everything about everything. Every router is different, and if you can't look it up, well, it's just a guessing game. And randomly pushing buttons doesn't always end well, so I'm glad to help. Besides, I enjoy all that technical stuff. I don't mind setting things up at all. I just want you to be taken care of. And I know sometimes I may look mad because I'm thinking, and this is my serious face, but I'm not mad at you. There wouldn't even be any reason to be mad at you. It's okay to have problems that need fixing. That's where I come in. I'm here to help. I'll get to sleep later. It's fine. It's what it is. Why don't you get back into bed with me, though, and cuddle? I won't be able to fall asleep, but it's warm in there. We can snuggle up until the heat gets caught up. Yeah, that's right. Come here. Get in bed. Where you belong. Get over here. Snuggle me. Snuggle robot. Need cuddles. I was gonna say we should watch something, but there's no service. Isn't that funny how it used to be you'd pop in a DVD or have a digital copy of a show and you could only watch the ones you had, but now you could watch anything, anytime. Now we have an access to an endless variety of media, but only if the internet's working. Oh, there are people who collect media, though, so I guess they'd have a lot of things to watch. There's pros and cons to it. I guess you got to do what works for you. I don't mind having the internet down, though. I like spending time with you, so this is kind of romantic. Plus, even if we wanted to, we couldn't check emails or messages, so we're off the hook. No working, no catching up with people. Just you and me. Aw, you're so gosh darn cute. Cutie pie. I love you, baby cakes. Is that still strange for you? I knew you said it would take time to get used to being loved. Is it getting any easier? What was that? Oh, the power went off again. No! No, I can see it. The nightlight in the hall went off. Oh, it's okay, baby. Nothing bad's gonna happen. They'll get it back up soon. Someone out there, their whole job is getting the power back on. They've been training their entire life for this moment, and they're gonna shine. I do wish it wasn't quite so chilly, though. We'll just have to get really close. Hey, you can always ask me for help. You know that, right? It doesn't matter if you think it's silly or simple. You can wake me up. You can call me at work anytime. That's what I'm here for. Oh, it's back on. Power's back on. That was quick. At least the stuff in the fridge will be all right. What is going on out there? Do you think there's just someone with a big switch going off, on, off, on? Yeah, I don't know. No, still no service. Check your phone. Yeah, still no internet. Well, we'll have an offline day, like they did in the olden times. We could churn some butter. Oh, how hard could it be? It's just milk, right? Or wait, is it cream? Is it heavy cream? No, we don't have any of that, I don't think. We also don't have a butter churn, but we shouldn't let that stop us. What about deep cleaning the whole house? No? We gotta have something to do. I'm just kidding. We can do something fun. Oh, we could build a pillow fort in the living room. Get all the blankets, pillows, make a secret hideout. I could read to you from a book. Oh, I know. We can make a game out of it. Pick a random book and read out of it until the other one of us can guess which book it is. Well, depending on the book, that might take a really long time, but we do have time. So no internet, no cell service, but we still have electric. We could take a nice long bath with bath bombs and candles. That would warm us up at least. Ooh, we could bake something. We don't have a bake book, though. Do you have recipes memorized? No, not a cookbook, a bake book. Yes, that's what it's called. It's a book with baking recipes in it. Yes, it is. It's a bake book. What else would you call it? You don't believe me. Oh, and I just realized we can't look it up. Oh, no! There's no way to settle this, so you'll just have to agree with me. Well, what would you call it? But cookbooks are for cooking. So bake book is for baking, right? Well, we'll never know. But we don't have cookbooks or bake books because I always look up recipes online. So unless you know any recipes by heart, we're going to be in trouble. Oh, you want to compete? You want to bake something with no recipe? Oh, we each do it. And then we see whose tastes better? That could be fun. I think the hardest part would be knowing the temperature to bake it at, though. I mean, I'd probably just do bread. Isn't bread just flour, water, and eggs? Is that right? Oh, I'd never survive the zombie apocalypse. We'd have to live on canned beans. Oh, no. I know what we should do. We should draw portraits of each other. Come on, that would be so fun. Then we can frame them and keep them forever. It's not about how good the portrait is. It's the memory of making them together and having a fun time. That's the whole point. I mean, that's what life's all about, right? Not doing things perfectly, but doing our best and having fun together. Okay, that's it. I think we should take a hot bath and then have a bake-off and then do portraits. And we can write down our recipes, and that will be the start of our new bake book, unless they're terrible, in which case we'll toss the evidence and never speak of it again. What? You're on board? All right. Okay, you stay here, stay warm, and I'll go draw the bath, and prepare to be transported back to the days of yore, where they had electricity, but no internet. Or as some people called it, the World Wide Web. And start thinking of what you want to bake, because I'm going to give you a run for your money. I will make the best 3-ingredient bread you've ever tasted. Maybe the only 3-ingredient bread you've ever tasted. No, you have to try it. We have to make that a rule. If it's cooked and not raw, we each have to try it. And then whoever's is the best is the winner. Okay, stay here. I'll be right back. I'm going to start the bath.